What happens if you keep cracking your neck every day? That cracking sound isn't your bones snapping. It's gas bubbles popping inside your joints. At first, it feels satisfying and harmless, but your body starts depending on that release. You may feel the urge to do it more often. Ligaments can slowly become overstretched. Your neck loses some natural stability over time. Muscles tighten, trying to protect the area. This creates more stiffness, not less relief. You might hear louder or more frequent cracks. In rare cases, nerves can become irritated, leading to tingling or discomfort down your arms. Poor habits can slowly affect your posture. Your neck begins to feel weaker and strained. So ask yourself, is that crack really helping?